Clear policies and procedures define both acceptable, safe behaviors and unacceptable, unsafe behaviors. Along with the associated consequences, these demonstrate safety as a core value of your organization. The specifics are up to you, but we advise a focus on developing safety policies and procedures that prioritize risky behavior and events and trends for timely coaching, gauge overall driver performance and risk by providing a balance of good and bad behaviors, define when and how to train and retrain people on specific skills, outline when and how to discipline and terminate drivers and office employees, as well as when and how drivers will be rewarded for positive behavior. Finally, maintain complete and compliant records and establish a document and data retention policy approved by your legal counsel and HR department that is consistent with your progressive discipline policy. Read the blog in the description below for more tips on creating policies and procedures for your fleet.